In Minnesota, at 6:05 p.m. on August 1st, 2007, with rush hour bridge traffic moving slowly through the limited number of lanes, the central span of the bridge suddenly gave way, followed by the adjoining spans. The structure and deck collapsed into the river and onto the riverbanks below, the south part toppling 81 feet eastward in the process. A total of 111 vehicles were involved, sending their occupants and 18 construction workers as far as 115 feet down to the river or onto its banks. Northern sections fell into a rail yard, landing on 3 unoccupied and stationary freight cars. 13 people were killed, 145 more were injured. Some ethical issues involved were undersized gusset plates being installed into the bridge during its initial construction. 2 inches of concrete were added to the road surface over the years, increasing the static load size by 20%. Increased construction equipment on the bridge during the collapse, and the inspectors did not routinely check that safety features were functional.
Our working theory and our knowledge that tells us that it is the gusset plates, beginning with the U-10, that the failure was created.
An engineering canon that they could have changed to prevent the incident is that they could have closed the bridge entirely for construction. They didn't close the bridge off, but some repair work was going on when it fell. The National Transportation Safety Board determined that it was a design flaw that caused the bridge to collapse. During original construction of the bridge in 1964, they also could have made sure that they had the correct measurements and lengths of parts to prevent the collapse. Further investigation noticed that the weather corrosion was not a significant impact of the collapse of the bridge. However, construction vehicles and materials have been left on the bridge's weakest point for some time.